The Crimson Fortress. Rhubarb harvesting requires the clinical separation of toxic biomass from high-value petioles.
Rheum rhubarbarum, a plant of contradictions, a poisonous canopy protecting a culinary treasure.
Structural audit. The stalk must be firm enough to withstand the mechanical one-flow strike.
The Crimson Slicer, a precision-engineered harvester designed for zero-bruise extraction.
Geometric alignment. Every plant is funneled into the processing core with surgical precision.
Primary severing. High-speed tungsten blades cut the plant just above the crown. Vertical elevation. Maintaining the upright orientation of the biomass for the stripping phase.
The Crimson Strike. The iris closes at the exact junction of leaf and stem. Toxic sequestration. The oxalic-rich leaves are instantly removed to prevent cross-contamination.
In-field mulching. Returning the green biomass to the earth as organic fertilizer. Pure extraction. Only the premium red petioles remain in the one-flow system. Harvest motion. Powering the precision of the crimson cut.
Dimensional standardization. Preparing the product for retail specifications in real time.
Impact mitigation. Every surface is coated in food-grade silicone to prevent bruising.
Agronomic intelligence. Mapping the field's productivity for future cycles. Field to cold chain. The one flow extends directly into the thermal management phase. Flash cooling. Arresting the respiration rate the moment the plant is severed. Perpetual sharpness. A dull blade ruins the crimson look. Precision is mandatory. In-field grading. Reducing factory waste by sorting at the source.
Harvest motion. Excellence through every drop of moisture.
The industrial transition. From the open field to the sterile environment. Ultrasonic purification. Reaching the crevices of the stalk without mechanical contact. Sweetness profiling. Ensuring the Crimson Slicer standard of flavor. Retail alignment. Ready for the global market in under 2 hours from harvest.
Sustainable shielding. Breathable packaging to maintain turgidity.
Digital transparency. Linking the consumer to the exact field coordinate.
The harvest blueprint. Geometry achieved through industrial power. The gale of the slicer.
The human standard.
Mechanical durability. Maintaining the 2 degrees Celsius thermal lock. System equilibrium. The essence of crimson. Continental distribution. Water integrity. High-velocity logistics.
Safety in the one flow.
Structural analysis.
Tactical coordination.
The mark of the harvest. Mission success. Harvest motion. The elite choice. Engineered for load. Perfection or rejection. The dawn strike. Sustained power.
Harvest motion. The edge of innovation.
High-pressure lifeblood. Biological destruction. The industrial heartbeat. The identity of power.
Purity in motion.
Torque modulation.
Harvest motion. Professional excellence. Thermal exchange.
Moving the crimson.
Final documentation. Particle removal.
Deployment phase.
Asset management.
Environmental survival.
Natural chemistry.
Harvest motion. Defining the standard.
Pre-harvest preparation.
Mechanical synergy. The initial cut.
Awakening the beast.
Reducing kinetic heat.
Agricultural geometry.
Harvest motion. The gateway to quality.
Cryogenic preservation.
The core of the crop. Stacking for success. Operational alertness. Unstoppable momentum. Human intuition.
Digital identification.
Reaching the world. Harvest motion. Always leading.
The cost of power.
Aesthetic perfection.
24/7 reliability.
The Rhubarb Harvest. The Crimson Slicer. Only on Harvest Motion.